In this video, we're going to be looking at how to complete your student application fee using a Canadian account. When you get to your dashboard, all you have to do is to click on the Explore Programs button to select the program and institution of your choice. We're going to be making use of a program that requires application fee. Click on View Details and then go through the details of the program, the admission requirements, the language proficiency, the finance required, and then you click on the Create Application button. Now you can check the eligibility of your status and then proceed with application. This way you select the session you're interested in, then click on the Next button. Then you upload the required documents like your passport, your bachelor's degree certificate, a transcript, your resume or your CV, then click on the Next button. The next page contains details about the payment option you have available. Now this second option is specifically for those who are in Canada and have Canadian bank accounts. You're going to be paying via Stripe using Interac. You scroll down and then you see the application fee and the total fee. All you have to do is to copy the account details and make payment to the provided account. Now there is a specific note on that to use your full name as the payment reference. Please do well to use your full name and go ahead to upload your proof of payment or your payment receipt after you have made payment. All you have to do next is to click on the Submit button. After you have submitted your proof of payment, your document will be reviewed and your application will be submitted. Now all you have to do is to wait for the decision from the institution.